And in the national capital, as you can see around me, the police are constantly telling people that night curfew is now in place and they need to head indoors unless you're part of that exempted category, whether an emergency worker, healthcare worker, or someone who's heading to the airport or a railway station or a hospital. You do not have to be on the roads. It's Connaught Place and everything is completely shut here. Joining me on the broadcast is Tuhin Sinha, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Charan Singh Sapra represents the Congress Party. I also have Dr. Om Srivastav for a medical perspective on the situation. But before I come to the political tutu meme that's currently underway, let's take a look at the situation on ground. First in Mumbai and then in Pune, where a large number of COVID positive cases are emerging and the healthcare facilities are virtually almost bursting at the seams. This is Mustafa Sheikh reporting from Mumbai.
Mumbai is in a health emergency. It is recording nearly 10,000 cases a day. The BMC has taken over hospital bed management. Any hospital admission has to go through the COVID war room, set up by the BMC in every municipal ward. But is the system working? India Today does a reality check. We walk through the steps with this 88-year-old COVID patient who is seeking a hospital bed.
हेलो
हाँ मैम, आप लाइन पे रहिए, ई वार्ड के वॉर रूम को हम फोन करते हैं। जी 022-2379-7901.
We call the war room helpline. An official picks the call and the patient's family explains about COVID situation and informs her about the patient's borderline diabetes.
बॉर्डरलाइन सुनिए ना मैडम, हाँ मैं आपको है ना एक फॉर्म देती हूँ।
The official asks us to fill a form and send it on a mobile number. The patient fills the form and sends it on WhatsApp along with the test report as directed. 2 hours later, we are yet to get a response. We call the war room twice, but both times the calls go unattended. While this is the situation on the ground, the government maintains that there is no shortage of beds.
लोगों में थोड़ा सा पैनिक सिचुएशन हो गया है कि शायद बाद में बेड मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, इसलिए वो 10 एनजीओ को फोन करते हैं, 10 सोशल वर्कर को फोन करते हैं, तो एक ही पेशेंट के लिए कम से कम 10 से 15 लोगों के फोन आते हैं। तो उनको लगता है शायद कि बेड नहीं मिलेगा, ये नहीं मिलेगा। जब हम बोलते हैं कि बेड अवेलेबल है आप आ जाइए, तो बोलते नहीं सब आज कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है, हम 2 दिन बाद आ जाएंगे। सो सिचुएशन वेरी वेल कंट्रोल्ड है, बेड अवेलेबल है, बट पैनिक सिचुएशन ज्यादा है।
We also spoke to some private hospitals for their take on availability of hospital beds in Mumbai.
At present, we have been able to start 45 beds. We are looking to scale it up to at least double the capacity in the next 1 week or so, and maybe earlier if possible. As of now, we are still facing a challenge in terms of running the COVID facility, because one is the kind of fatigue which has set in among the staff and the doctors working in the COVID facility. At this present moment, we still face a challenge in terms of the number of nurses available for COVID duty.
With rising number of COVID cases, there will be a shortage of hospital beds. The BMC insists that there are ample of beds available in Mumbai, but our reality check also suggests that there are many people who are searching for hospital beds but are not able to get it. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.